Let's learn how to recover hacked Telegram account. Um, right now, if you go and check, is this possible? On Google will say that right now there is no way to recover your account if you got hacked. But if you scroll a bit down, you can see that you can still regain control of your Telegram account, and that is to log into your Telegram, change password, and set another security password, or to contact Telegram support. What you can do, the best way is to contact Telegram support, so you can type in Google search Telegram support. Once you do that, it will open a support window. Now what you're gonna do here is to say that your Telegram account was hacked, so you can write what you can do is to leave your username, password, last location you were in. If you want, you can also add who hacked your account. I mean, if you clicked something like some link or some website, some catched some virus or etc. You can also add your email and your phone number. Once you've done that, you'll just have to click submit, and you will have to wait for support to answer your problem.